Kids today grow up surrounded by cameras, but they're not really seeing through them. Today, I'm going to encourage you to leave the phone behind as I dive deeper into why every kid should have their own real camera. Plus, I'll share my thoughts on the newest Kimento camera model. I'm Mark Bergerain, photographer, filmmaker, and dad of 2 kids who love to take pictures. I make videos to help you capture your world better and choose the right equipment. If you get value from this, I encourage you to hit the subscribe button so you can get more of our content. Last year, I made a popular video, I'll link it here, on the best kids cameras. My top pick was from this brand, Kimento, formerly Kiddimento, and it was the Model K. This year, I want to take things a little further. I want to talk about the benefits of a real camera, the problem with phones, and give some practical tips for parents, as well as talk about Kimento's latest model, the Model P2. In addition to the review, I'll be doing a giveaway of the P2 in the Spider-Man color, so be sure to leave a comment down below on what your kid will photograph if they win the camera, and you'll be entered the giveaway. I'm excited for your kids to get started behind the lens. This video is sponsored by Kimento, but all the opinions are my own, and I hope you get some value from these tips. As a kid who grew up with a love of photography, my old camera is here on the wall behind me, it taught me focus, patience, and discovery. When I was a kid, the first digital cameras were coming out, but my family mostly used film cameras until I was much older. Every vacation, we would grab a few rolls of film and maybe a disposable camera or 2. Then, after the trip, I had to wait for the film to be developed and make them into prints. Waiting and seeing the results brought me so much joy as the memories would come to life in the backseat of the car when you open that package. Contrastingly, phones provide instant results, but they're full of distractions. Instead of tuning into the subject of your photography, your eyes are wandering to other apps and notifications, not to mention phones seem more about selfies than self-discovery. When I use a camera, I slow down. I notice light. I notice shapes and colors. It's not about posting, it's about seeing. And that's the experience of photography I want my kids to have too. Let's talk about 5 benefits of having a real camera. Creativity. With a real camera, your kids learn storytelling, not just endless snapping. Confidence. Picking up a creative hobby is great for growing skills and confidence and creativity. Your kids will feel ownership over their art. Connection. When we have our phones out, it's a barrier between us and our kids. But when we have a camera, we can explore and create together as a family. Mindfulness. Photography gets them outside and focused. It allows them to be present and aware, something that we could all use a little more of in life. Digital balance. It's a break from the screens and the social comparison that might live there. Need I say more? A real camera becomes more than a toy. It's a tool for learning how to see the world. My camera has taken me to some incredible places in the world, and I want that for my kids too. So what camera should you start with? I've tested a bunch of kids' cameras over the years, from cheap Amazon models to Fuji Insta-X, and now Kimento has a brand new one that I think is really worth checking out. I'm gonna talk in a minute about how to choose the right type of camera that's right for your kid, but first let me introduce the one holding here so that you can enter to win. This is the Kimento Model P2. If you remember the review in that previous video, you know that we loved how fun and approachable the Kimento cameras were. But there are a few things that we tested that could be better and more versatile, and they've clearly listened. The Model P2 in sky blue feels fresh and calm and just plain joyful. The color alone might be what your kid is excited about, whether it's the Spider-Man or this color. But the real updates are inside. It has these ink-free thermal prints that come out even faster than before with just a 5-second per print time. And you can choose from 4 color styles. There's blue, black, orange, and even a pink color. A lot of you were concerned about PFAS chemicals in the prints that came out of some of the cameras I reviewed previously, but these are PFAS-free, and so you can be sure that there's no BPA or BPS chemicals that are going to be getting on your kids' hands when they make these prints. Photo quality gets a nice boost with up to 48 megapixels. That's a 12 megapixel sensor that's been interpolated. Plus, it offers 1080p video recording, and it has a main and a selfie lens in case you want to take that style of picture. It's perfect for kids and families and anyone who wants a playful camera that can also create prints. Creativity gets a lift too. There's 25 filters built into the camera, and you can make fun prints that say things that are related to, say, the holidays. The 2.4-inch HD screen on the back, it's bright and clear, which makes framing your shots easy. And it comes with a 1500 milliamp hour battery that's chargeable via USB-C. It also has a 32 gigabyte memory card pre-installed, which is a nice touch for immediate use as soon as you pull it out of the box. Overall, the P2 feels like a refined, faster, and more creative version of what we loved about the original Kimento Model P. It keeps all the fun and style, but with upgrades that make printing and capturing memories even easier and more enjoyable. Perfect for weekend adventures or everyday moments. My kids loved that it felt like a real camera, and that's the point of this video. Plus, I have far less stress when I hand them this camera as opposed to my much more expensive professional camera that I'm recording this video on. So make sure you leave a comment down below and let us know what your kid would take a picture of if they were to win this camera, and you'll be entered in the giveaway that we're gonna be doing. While the quality of this camera is great for kids, the real benefit for me is the act of getting them outside to experience the world and start building a love for photography. Sure, handing my kid a professional camera will give better results, but that's not what it's about. I'm not going for that. My goal is to stoke their passion and have them play with something fun that can be theirs. All right, let's talk about some practical tips for parents. It's important to match the camera to your child. First off, how do you pick the right level of camera for your kid? You're gonna wanna take your kid's age, personality, and goals into account. If your kid wants that instant feedback, you might choose something that instantly prints their pictures like this one. If your kid is older and needs a challenge, you might consider an old film camera, but realistically, film cameras are best for high school and above. For younger kids, you don't want something that they're gonna be bored with or that will be too complicated. So you want them to be able to do it on their own. The goal is to find that sweet spot for creativity where they're challenged enough to grow, but not too stressed to get in the zone and enjoy the creative process. That's why instant print cameras are so engaging. They offer immediate prints, which encourages composition and creativity. And the physical prints turn into little keepsakes, turning everyday moments into memories. Cameras that combine digital storage and printing, like the P2, they give kids the flexibility to store their photos digitally and print them instantly without losing the moment. They make photography interactive, fun, and more than just a screen-based activity. My second tip is we need to let go of perfectionism and embrace failure. Creativity is all about experimenting and taking risks. Don't worry about the perfect picture. And instead, you need to celebrate that they're interested and engaged and creating something unique. Use that to build confidence, and the growth mindset will carry them into their creative pursuits. Lastly, it helps to make it fun. Maybe you're going on a scavenger hunt and you take pictures of all the things that you find. Or maybe you're just gonna head out and photograph the sunset together. Can you encourage them to make a slideshow or do a presentation of the things that they capture? Sharing and printing their work is part of the journey. So if that wasn't convincing enough, let me just tell you, leave the phone behind, give your kids a real camera. It will let them see the world in their own way. They might just teach you how to see things in a new way also. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and check the links in the description where you can shop for this camera as well as some other stuff we offer in our shop, like our travel photography guide and our money and gear guide. Remember, if you leave a comment below and tell us what your kid will photograph when they win this camera, you'll be entered in the giveaway. The best way to learn photography is to see the world with wonder. And the best way to see the world with wonder is to see it through the eyes of a child. Next up, I suggest you go check out my previous video on the best kids camera. It'll give you some more info on some different models that you might consider. I'll see you over there.